Mama. Okay guys, so before I say anything else, I just want to put a notice, warning. Ignore every single noise, every single cry, every single chee that you hear. Please, I've been trying to make this video since I've arrived at home, and this is like what, 3-4 hours ago. But you guys have to understand that there are 5 people in this house, and one of them is a baby, and like there's no like other way but to be noisy. So with that said, please ignore the noise, just listen to my beautiful voice if you find it beautiful. And I apologize if there is, like, right now it's calm. Amen. Anyways, let's go into the video now. Izalina la la lanya. Okay guys, so for now this will be our intro. I don't know, I've been looking for intros. I've been thinking, what should I do, like what little like song, like I've been trying to look for intros the same way I've been trying to look for like a nice cute name for you guys, for the people that watch me. Like I used to be like, hey just hi lovies, but I really don't know. So leave it in the comment section what you think, you know. And yeah, my name is Izalina. I am 22 years old. I'm gonna turn 23 next month. And what else? Yeah, this is me. I don't know what to say. If you want to know more about me, leave it in the comment section. But yeah, this is my channel. Why did I decide to do an intro so late, like after 2 years, you know? I'm so sorry, my neighbors, I'm so sorry again. Anyways, yeah, why it took me 2 years to finally do an intro to my channel. So when I started my channel, I started for fun. I've already been playing around, just didn't upload it in public for everybody to see it. I've been doing videos. If we go back to 2009, 2010, I've already used to like film myself, you know, like talking to myself, and I had like a whole TV show program. When I was young, I used to really like be very creative. So yeah, I've already really liked being on the camera, not really in the spotlight, but like talking to nobody. I still do this, you know. Sometimes I'm in the shower and I'm talking to myself, daydreaming. That was always me. So that's why I started this YouTube channel. After I saw people being creative on YouTube, doing all sort of videos, I was like, oh, I also want to do this. So when I opened my channel in 2018, I was like, let me try this. This is exciting, this is new, I'm enjoying watching other people on YouTube, so why not create my own? And I was very into those cinematic type of videos, you know, like mostly because I watch a lot of travelers, they would do those things. VHS just came like it became a trend again. It was like very cool to do videos like that. So I tried like one day vlogging a day, just like going to the mall with my mom and my sisters, you know, just having fun, having a good time. And then I edited and then I showed my sister, and I was like, what if I post this video as my first video for my YouTube channel? And my sister was like, oh wow, okay, yeah girl, go for it. By the way, my sister is the G. Cecilia is the G. She is one of the persons, she's not the only one, there's a lot of people that really are pushing me, but she's like one that is like here. She watched the video and she was like, yeah, this is good, post it. And I was like, are you sure? She was like, yeah. I was like, I'm shy. She was like, just do it. And after I posted that video, the response was great. There's maybe 120 something views, but I did not expect even 100 views, guys. I did not expect anything, but all my friends and family, they were like, oh my gosh, this is good, oh my gosh, it's gonna be so great, because I am always in between Angola and South Africa, and I have friends all over the place. So they were like, oh, we can meet again on your YouTube channel, we can see how you're doing and stuff on your YouTube channel. So I was like, they were like pushing me, they were like, continue doing it and stuff. So that's how I began, because a lot of people already knew who I was. Like majority, 70% if not, of the people on my YouTube channel are family members and friends. They already know who I am. Like they know that I'm Izalina, they know everything about me. So I did not see the need to do an introduction video. Okay, memory full. but it's already too long, this video. I didn't want this video to be too long. In conclusion, what's my channel all about? My channel is a little bit of everything. I don't have a specific content like those people that have just a mukbang channel, or just a reaction channel, or just a makeup channel, or just a vlog channel. That's not my channel. My channel will have a little bit of everything. We're gonna have reactions, we're gonna have lots of vlogs. Let me tell you, two of the things that I mainly will focus, three of the things I will mainly focus in this channel is vlogging, so giving you a little bit of my daily life, things that I'm up to and whatever. It will be reaction, because I love reaction videos and review videos, and it's something that I always wanted to do in my channel. Just react, and I don't know. And it will be commentary videos and makeup videos, like, you know, videos where I just come like and do makeup and talk. Maybe I'll do while I talk to you guys about something while I do my makeup, or I do a review like of something. So we're gonna be talking about maybe a drama, because I like K-dramas, and I've been telling my friends that I'm gonna do this to my channel, or story times, like commentary video story times. Yeah, that will be me. I want to do this kind of videos. Plus, if God allows it, I want to travel a lot this year. I want to travel around my country, like in Angola, and just show the beautiful places that Angola has. And I also want to travel a lot around South Africa. So I'm gonna slowly but surely like organize myself, so in the future I can do like a lot of traveling videos if possible. So this is what my channel is all about. Now, the posting days, let's say that we're gonna have two main days, that will be Sundays and Thursdays. So every Sunday and every Thursday you can expect a video, but please just turn on the post notifications, because an example, for the month of March, I want to post the whole month every single day for 30 days, because it's my birthday and I want to like do specials, this and that. So if you have the post notifications on, you will know that I've posted something. I feel like majority of the people right now in my channel, like I said in the beginning, are friends and family. So there's really not much need to do a Q&A, because you guys know a lot about me. And if you're not friends and family, you guys came from my Instagram or Facebook, because I know a lot of you guys came from Facebook. I've made a lot of friends on Facebook in 2019. It scares me. I'm joking guys. So you guys have an idea of who I am, how old I am, and I'm very active, not on Facebook but on Instagram, and you guys see my posts. And yeah, so I don't think there's really a need to do any introduction. I don't think there's a need to do a Q&A, telling you a little bit more, like go into depth. Maybe when I hit 500 subscribers, that's when I feel like there'll be lots of people that maybe might not know who I am, and I might do a Q&A then. But for now, I don't think we need a Q&A, and this video is already 10 minutes long. Like, it's becoming too long now, so I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna shut my mouth. Thank you so much for everybody who supports me. I hope you guys know me a little bit better now, the ones who don't know me yet. I hope you guys have a little bit more of a clear idea what this channel is all about. Mom, this is for you. But she's always like, what's your channel about? Like, what's the purpose? Like, what's the end goal? You know, she has so many questions. Maybe one day I'll get into depth about the purpose, the end goal of this channel. Once again, thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, turn on the post notification, guys. Please, subscription and post notifications are important, guys. These are like the most important things for me personally, because then I don't have to like keep on reminding you guys, sending messages, posting stuff. You guys know, you guys get notified. Comment something constructive, something positive, not something that will uplift me, not bring me down. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys on my next video soon, and I hope you guys are all well, you guys are safe. Please stay at home, and I'll see you. Bye.